recently hooked up a kicker. There's a 2400 on each coil, and right now it rises to like 3 ohms, so we'll get about almost 1900 a piece out of each one. And, all lithium in the back there. Something fell on the switches. So at the show, I have my tweeter amp in the center console, and basically shook it to hell. It's gone.
It?
So I only have mids now. I don't have tweeters.
Hey, it's the joys of competing. He lost his key fob. He can't start his truck. This is batteries only. It's going to be a lot better once he actually can turn it on, but he can't do that right now. And I'm not going to miss an opportunity to listen to this thing, so I'm going to jump in it while it's still on the trailer and get a demo. You ready? Can I get a demo?
Let's do this.
Okay, come on.
Let's go.
All right, real quick, what the fuck is in here? Before I even get in, just tell the camera, tell me what's in it.
There's 6 Phi Delta 15s, 12 kicker 2400s on the base, and then just a bunch of kicker stuff.
You know what I want to be?
Okay.
Take a seat.
All right.
Next week, I've been working on them, I'll be good eventually. I understand you got a car before you get to your feet, but I've been running for a while, they ain't ready for me.
Woo! That thing is fucking, that's that beat he was talking about. That one that gets you. Yeah, that was pretty intense. I'm glad I hiccuped just now. You were getting me.
He's doing that shit that I was telling you about.
Yeah.
That John Nolte did. That's your arm right now. Damn. Why does it keep turning off?
I don't know, man. It
I
must
bet
be
he-
my inner ghost. That fucking shit. I'm getting ready to get out. It's voltage. It's not fucking around over here. It's louder than it was last time.
I just want to pay my bills, rapping about the way I feel. I just want to make a couple mil, leave it to the
Hey,
fam in the
saved
will.
by the fucking voltage, man. Hey, this is a tapper right here all day.
Maybe buy a house up in the hills.
So he's pushing the gas.
Might not be the best in my field, but I guarantee that I'ma die rich. Hey,
Yeah, you see that
When I
9 volts?
grow
This ain't
up-
playing, man. Watch this.
yeah,
It's gonna hit 9 volts.
yeah. Hey! It's like the overthink.
I wish I could give you more, man.
Hey,
but-
saved by the voltage. Hey, I'm so glad you lost your key because I would be tapping out of this motherfucker,
Hey,
dude.
what is your resting voltage at?
I don't know, man, but hey,
What is it?
I did not tap.
13.2.
I did
Or no,
not tap.
It charges at 14.8.
Dude, I can fucking hook up.
I did not tap.
You think
but
so?
If you would have kept this voltage
Yeah.
up, I would have tapped. Let it be known. This shit is fucking.
It's a little retarded.
I knew that was gonna happen.
I think we can fucking clamp my truck to it, Steve.
Just a quick one.
I know those batteries are dead.
Yeah, thank God, man. I'm telling you.
Twice it's got
Yeah, when I grow up, you know what I want to be? Take a seat, please. I understand you got a car before you get to your feet, but I've been running for a while, they ain't ready for me. Risk it. I've been...
Hey,
God damn.
you need to film these doors. This whole fucking building.
funny, huh?
He's out of juice.
It's got so much more in it.
Yeah, it definitely.
Turn on! I'm not fused. Well, I guess I am fused.
That's probably gonna melt
All those.
I'm not trying to watch this thing burn to the fucking ground. Oh, I can keep it running.
these. These are probably burning
The only really big concern I have now
Them rattling off.
is them rattling off. So,
Loaded your loaded it down with them.
well, I mean, it's charging my batteries, so it's already loaded down on its own.
I say Morrison needs to get in there.
Charge cable babysitters on duty. Hi, my little friend. Can I introduce you to this area?
It's hot here.
It's not that hot. Probably
shake off.
15.
I'd be more worried about this one shaking off than that one.
Yeah, that one.
Unless you turn your beat on.
13.5. It's probably climbing. It ain't gonna jump instantly. Your batteries are low and everything. You just fucking dump your shit.
But I got that part, yeah.
I don't know. Probably 62 or something like that. It still hurts over.
Usually my tapping range is pretty close to about 63, 64. 62 is very uncomfortable, and the 63 is where it's starting to get like, okay.
Like, am I about to tap right now?
Yeah, am I going to tap? Can I move a little bit to the right and catch my breath and
You find it. You find it.
find that little spot? Try to
Almost
breathe.
anything that gets that loud can only give it to you for so long.
See, I already got the luxury of his truck dying, so I'm cool. We're gonna get him in there and finish the truck out. Yeah, finish the voltage up.
We're 10 higher. That's 10. So we're 10 volt higher. That's good.
Anthony, always with you always got the brand needle off in the corner smoking a cigarette somewhere.
But I'm okay with it. I admit the lyrics are weak. I've been working on the problem for you get to your feet, but I've been running for a while. They ain't ready for me.
Volt cut off.
Oh!
10 volts. It doesn't like 10.
The beat. Yeah. Remember the way I feel.
I wasn't even.
Oh, yeah.
I wasn't trying to get up on you, but the car was moving.
Leave it to the fam
Get a little
in the
closer.
will.
It's like, whoa,
Oh,
fuck.
yeah. I just want to sign a record deal. Maybe buy a house up in the hills. Oh, yeah. Might not be the best of my field, but I guarantee that I'm a die real. Yeah. Hey, when I grow up, yeah. Hey! It's like the overthink.
Hold my head up, my head.
I don't mean to scream. Hear me rap?
Crane's gonna bring my glasses off.
Really fast. before I rubber kick though. I am not a quitter. Get your
What the fuck? That was crazy.
Yeah.
Dude. I almost tapped.
I'm telling you,
I
man.
was so close. I had to hold on, man.
If it wasn't for that thing cutting out, I bet if it had another volt in it,
Oh yeah.
that 1 volt's like 30% of your power.
Oh, fuck yeah. I was happy.
Yeah, I'll come lift the door up. God damn.
Thank you, sir.
This thing is crazy. I couldn't even hold my hat on with my hands. It was pulling off my head even though I was holding on to it. I thought I was gonna lose my glasses. This thing's unreal.
Actually, during Sipes, I didn't know it was like it.
Hey, so look at this. That thing's so goddamn crazy. Woo, they are a little toasty.
6 gauge
Oh, that-
wire running that fucking truck.
6 gauge if you're lucky on a good day.
It says 6 gauge on it.
Yeah, but I mean, that feels like CCA wire to me. That don't feel like copper in there either.
No, that's bullshit.